Has it ever happened to you that you've frozen on stage or there's been a failure in the act that you're performing, and then how have you dealt with it?
I can say that I have collectively spent more hours on stage than in one home. जब बच्चे को समझ आती है, वो कुछ देख पाता है, समझ पाता है.
You are on
From that
stage.
time, I've been on stage. So stage is my home. That never became a problem. There was never stage fright. Failures, because I'm a live performer. I'm sure a lot of you have seen my content, and content you can have your retakes and stuff.
Sure.
Although even my content doesn't have retake because magic can only happen once, because once the expression's out, you can't make them fake that. But I also call myself more of a live artist, and in life, failures are just happening. No matter how much you rehearse, like you said, you could have rehearsed your speech 100 times, but when you go on stage, it is just that one moment.
Sure.
Hours of practice is tested in 3 minutes, and if you go wrong there, you just go wrong, and that's the beauty of a live performance. It's just that, guys, the videos where I go right, you see those videos. When I go wrong, they are not uploaded. It's as simple as that. Now I am such a careful artist that I have backup, and I have backup ka backup, because now I know what all can go wrong, because it has. Sometimes I was performing and one thing went wrong, or the other thing went wrong, or the fourth thing went wrong. Now I have backup for everything. I have a backup कि अगर फ्लाइट से मेरा लगेज नहीं आया तो मैं शो भी कर सकती हूँ. You know, like I think that much now.
Sure.
So yes, I have failed several times, and that's what made me who I am today.